Finding your dream home is an exciting adventure. It's a journey filled with hope, joy, and anticipation as you envision your future in a new space. But as a buyer, there's one crucial step you should never skip: the home inspection. This step ensures that your investment is sound and that there are no hidden issues. Today, we're breaking down why a professional inspection is essential. We'll explore the key areas inspectors focus on and the potential problems they can uncover, and how it protects you from surprises that could turn your dream into a headache. By identifying issues early, you can make informed decisions and avoid costly repairs down the line. Whether you're looking at a brand new build or a charming older home, a professional home inspection is non-negotiable. This isn't just a routine checkup. It's a deep dive into the property's condition that can uncover issues only a trained eye would catch. Why are inspections so important? They are crucial for ensuring your new home is safe and sound. Picture this: you get the keys, only to find unexpected issues that could have been fixed beforehand. This can lead to stress and unexpected expenses. With a professional inspection, an expert examines every detail, ensuring nothing is overlooked, from the foundation to the roof, including electrical systems, plumbing, and structural components, giving you insights into structural integrity, potential maintenance needs, and any hidden concerns. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your investment. Choosing the right inspector matters. Look for professionals affiliated with reputable organizations like the American Society of Home Inspectors, or ASHI. These affiliations mean they follow strict standards, giving you a trustworthy, reliable assessment. Whenever possible, attend the inspection yourself. Why? Being there allows you to ask questions and get real-time insights directly from the inspector. Often, their on-the-spot comments add context to the final report and help you fully understand what's going on with the property. Once the inspection is complete, review the report carefully. This document will outline any issues or concerns the inspector found. Don't hesitate to ask questions if something isn't clear. Understanding the report fully is crucial to making informed decisions. When it's time to make an offer, make sure to include an inspection contingency. This clause allows you to review the inspection results and negotiate repairs, or even reconsider if the findings are too serious. Most contracts include this automatically, highlighting its importance in protecting your investment. Pause 2.5. If you have any questions about buying or selling a home, reach out to your local real estate professional expert today. Real estate professionals can provide valuable insights and guidance throughout the entire home buying or selling process. They can help you understand the market, identify potential issues, and ensure that you're making informed decisions. Don't hesitate to leverage their expertise to navigate this important milestone in your life with confidence. In the end, a home inspection is your best safeguard against costly surprises. It helps you identify potential issues before they become major problems. Be actively involved in the process. Choose a reputable inspector with good reviews and credentials, and take the time to review your report carefully. Understand every detail and ask questions if something is unclear. By making inspection a priority, you're one step closer to ensuring your dream home is a solid investment. If you have any questions about buying or selling a home, reach out to your local real estate professional, Aaron Boone, today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on home buying and selling. And don't forget, there's only one thing you need to know when it comes to buying or selling a home: AaronBsells.com.